helpful to you to understand the present scenario, what is going on in health industry, right? I'm working as a manager of pharmacy services in Kobe Medical Center and Hospital, where we used to dispense nearly 2,000 outpatient prescriptions per day. Per day, nearly 2,000 prescriptions. We have 4 outpatient community pharmacies, where we used to do nearly 2,000 prescriptions, and in inpatient pharmacy, nearly 2,000 to 2,500 prescriptions, where we used to dispense. This is the service which the pharmacy department, the community and the hospital setting which we are giving. Apart from that, we are giving clinical pharmacy services and also cytotoxic mixing unit where the pharmacists are posted. Inga na onu solnom, inna first the clinical from the farm D mudichittu konja per vandanga, right? So after completing your B Pharm, even if you are interested in clinical, you can go for farm D, right? So actually we thought of taking them for while we introduced comprehensive cancer center, particularly for cancer patients. We have started comprehensive cancer center where we used to reconstitute cytotoxic medicines, for which we need people, those who have completed, they must have B Pharm knowledge as well as the clinical knowledge, particularly PharmD students, PharmD postdoctorate. So we thought of taking those people for cytotoxic mixing unit as an in charge. So while I am addressing this to people, those who are giving permission, so simple okay, so this is what the present scenario, you know. So usually, yeah, of course, I'm really proud being a compounder, but to compound the medicine, we need certain skills, because dealing with cytotoxic drugs is not that much easy. Okay, so of course, we have separate cytotoxic mixing unit where one PharmD postdoctorate students is taking care of the cytotoxic mixing unit. All drugs, chemotherapy drugs, which is reconstituted in that particular center, where 2 B Pharm students are assisting in that particular unit. Apart from that, we have clinical pharmacy services, where critical areas, medical ICU 1, medical ICU 2, critical care like trauma ICU 1, trauma ICU 2, surgical ICU 1, surgical ICU 2, neuro ICU, neonatal ICU. So these many ICUs are there. Each 2 ICUs like M1, M2, 1 clinical pharmacist, S1, S2, 1 clinical pharmacist, trauma 1, trauma 2, 1 clinical pharmacist, neuro ICU, neonatal ICU, 1 clinical pharmacist. So actually what these people are doing. So all these things which I am going to share. So this is what we are doing in our hospital. Okay, choice is yours. You want to be in community setting, or you want to be in hospital setting, or you want to be in a clinical setting, or you want to be in industry. Of course, the industry openings are quite good, even though the opportunities are very less. But first you need to struggle. After that, once you got entered in the industry, that too in bioanalytical in particular. Bioanalytical, you may get wonderful opportunities. So considering pharmacy, what you need to know, because everyone is telling, yeah, of course you have chosen a very good profession and what you are going to do. Because in first year and second year, after completing this, yeah, I just want to share my own experience. எங்க அப்பா இந்த வழியா கிராஸ் பண்ணாரு இந்த ஏரியா. அப்போ அந்த ஜேகே நடராஜா காலேஜ் பார்த்தாரு. உங்களுக்கே தெரியும். இப்போலாம் நல்லா இருக்கு. எங்க அப்பா டிராவல் பண்ணும்போது அந்த காலேஜ் மட்டும் தான் இருந்துச்சு. So this is the right place to put him. அப்படின்னு எடுத்து வந்து அங்க போட்டுட்டாரு. ஏன்னா அவ்வளோ சேட்டை. பக்கத்தில் எந்த இதுவுமே இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஃபோன் பண்ணுறோன்னா அப்போ வந்து நாங்கள் குமாரபாளையத்துக்கு போய் தான் ஃபோன் பண்ண முடியும். வீட்டுக்கு ஃபோன் பண்ணணும் நாங்கள். ஸோ அப்போ எவ்வளோ காடாக இருந்திருக்கும்னு நினச்சி பாருங்க. ரைட், இந்த ஏரியா அப்படி தான் இருந்துச்சு. நாங்கள் படிக்கும்போது அங்கே வட்டமலை ஒரு ஸ்டாப்பிங், சேலத்துல இருந்து ஏறினா வட்டமலை, வலையக்கரனூர் விட்டா வட்டமலை ஸ்டாப்பிங். வட்டமலையில் ஒரே ஒரு காலேஜ் ஜேகே நடராஜா காலேஜ், அதை சுற்றி ஃபுல்லாக காடு. ரைட், அதனால தான் இந்த ஏரியாக்கே வந்து ஃபார்மசி படிக்க வேண்டியதாக போயிடுச்சு. Right? So this is, of course, this is my own. Now, இப்போ ஏன் நீங்க pharmacy choose பண்ணி, of course you have chosen. இப்போ இதுல என்ன opportunities இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். Right? இதுக்கு முன்னாடியே சார் நிறைய சொன்னாங்க. ஏன் வந்துட்டு நம்ம இந்த ப்ரொஃபஷன்ல நிறைய opportunities இருக்கு, அதை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றது இல்ல அப்படின்னு. These are the recent data which I am sharing with you people. See, nearly 2,04,627 crore turnover. It's a overall turnover of pharma industry from India, which includes export as well as internal, like our own domestic market. So our domestic market alone, which includes nearly 98,414 crore domestic market which we have. So of course they are manufacturing all these things. So if you are checking the compound annual growth rate, every year the industry is growing 10%. So definitely you have chosen a wonderful profession, because the growth is there, every year it grows nearly 10%. And also another reason, how many plants which we have. See, if you are taking US FDA approved plants in India, nearly 262 US FDA approved plants which particularly manufactures to export drugs to US, right? So again, in European Directorate for Quality Medicine, nearly 1,300 plants are approved by UK. So those companies only manufactures to export drugs to their country. Then coming to the GMP, like WHO GMP approved companies, because nowadays most of the NABH hospitals, they started asking WHO GMP and state licensing authority approval. Whoever the particular product which enters in the NABH accredited hospital, first thing which they are looking for is GMP certificate IRCA. State licensing authority approval IRCA. If they are producing those two certificates, then only it will be forwarded to drug committee, then the drug committee will approve the same. Right? So these are the basic things which we started looking for to enhance the quality of care which we are giving. So at the same time, while we are talking about quality, definitely there is a need for knowledgeable people. Right? While we are talking about quality of care, definitely knowledge plays major role. So knowledge is power. Okay, so I am here to present what actually we are doing in our hospital, right? So thereby it will help you to focus in which area you want to be. Okay, so I'm going to talk only about hospital setting and community settings, what people are doing. So medication management is an important criteria, even if you are talking about NABH or JCA, Joint Commission International. So these are the regulatory bodies which gives accreditation to the hospital in order to give the status. So thereby it improves the quality of care in the particular hospital, right? So I'm just talking about the NABH. NABH, nearly 10 chapters are there, in which management of medication is one of the chapters. So where pharmacists are playing major role in this particular chapter. So management of drug is the ultimate concept, is how you are managing the drugs, right? So this is the management cycle. One is prescribing, another one is dispensing and administering and reviewing. So this is the management cycle. So here, in each part, pharmacist plays role. Who is playing role in prescriber?